Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, November something. It's the Saturday after Thanksgiving, and I am bundled up. It is a cold, windy day, and I'm out in the woods near Fleetwood, Pennsylvania, and you might have just heard that train whistle. That's a spoiler for what I'm out here for. You can see the railroad tracks. I'm out here to do something different today. I am at the Reading Society of Model Engineers, the RSME. Today is their open house, and they got a couple things going on here. So what we're looking at here, this is actually an operating train that runs through the woods. They've got a little steam engine. I'm not sure if you can see the steam puffing through the woods there. It's got this little loop, runs around. There's a turntable and a roundhouse over there. We'll go check it out. And they've also got some model trains and then some smaller outdoor trains. We're going to start our day by taking a ride on this train when it comes back to the station. And I'm out here with our favorite RJ78 Productions. He's been here before, and thank you to him for inviting me out to check out this very cool place.
And I wouldn't have known about it without Emerald Sound Productions. We got to thank him too.
We thank Randy from Emerald Sound Productions.
Which unfortunately is not here today because he's still on his hunting trip.
Ah.
But he should be back this week.
All right, he's out having some fun too. So we're going to have some fun with trains here today. This is their open house. From what I understand, it is a private club, but they open up a couple of times a year to the public. And for $8, we have unlimited access to ride and to go inside this building here and see the model train displays.
Make it, RJ.
I always get the next one.
All right, guys, so we're going to have this little red caboose behind me. There's no way I'm ever going to fit in that. But we are going to ride in this gondola towards the back of the train. And I think we got a pretty full train. RJ is somewhere up there because there was not enough seats in this gondola for him. All right, guys, we're getting ready to go here. We got the engineer just climbed into the little steam engine, number 20. And we've got RJ78 Productions somewhere further up on the train. And this is my first ride. Let's see where this takes us. Here we've got their roundhouse, and they've got their own turntable. All right, cool. They're telling me I've got Reading Railfan riding behind me. He's part of this and he's helping to run it. I'll put a link to his channel. And you probably didn't hear any of that over the whistle. I have Reading Railfan behind me. I'll put a link to his channel in the description, and he's telling me we're going to have another steam engine out later too. So it sounds like a good excuse to go ride this again. Yeah, if they asphalt. I got it all on video. And so we're stopped here so Reading Railfan can throw the switch so that we're on track when we come back the other direction. Alright, cool. Sounds like he's hearing you now. So we'll be coming back through this portion of the loop in just a minute.
That's a no.
Ah, that sounds like a no to me. The woods there, that's the building that houses their model train layouts. That's where we started, and we'll be heading back up that way and making another loop before we return to the station. There's another little train running up in the woods. I'm not sure if you can see that through the trees, but we'll check that out later too. That's a slightly smaller scale than this one. You know what, guys? Forget N scale. I need one of those in my backyard. And here we are pulling back into the station, finishing up our first ride of the day. Alright, we'll try to get an up-close look at all of these cars between rides. This is the car that I rode in. We're taking a look at the cockpit of this diesel. And then we've got the little steam engine up ahead here. I need a bigger backyard and a bigger budget for bigger toys like these. These are really cool. Go ahead. Alright guys, I'm filming upstream here. That's my own fault. Get people getting ready for the next ride. And there's Mr. RJ.
I'm ready to go inside. I'm frozen.
Yeah, let's head inside for a little bit and we will come back out and watch and ride more trains. My face is frozen.